Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sakib Islam Arpan. My hometown Gazipur, place Ratanpur. I am a student of Daftarli International University, Department of Textile Engineering. My CGPA average 2.50. My school, Shobibur Ideal Public School. My SSC GPA for 4.50. My college, Shobibur Ideal Public College, HSC GPA 4.50. I want to learn different skill. It can be soft or technical. I am very good in Microsoft, PowerPoint, Excel, etc. I have moderate skill in Adobe Photoshop. I like to play different games like football, cricket, basketball, swimming, volleyball, etc. I also like play video game in computer, but I do not have any computer. Sometimes I play video game with my friend. Also to improve technical knowledge about computer. For this reason, I badly needed laptop. Hobby is traveling. In my leisure time, I like travels different place. I already travel Coxbazar, Bandarban, Sylhet, Khagasuri, etc. From traveling, I get refreshment. I have worked with different club organization like DIU Textile Club, Bondhu Shobha, Volunteer Club, etc. I want to be a professional textile engineer. Now our world, internet-based world. So we must learn about technical skill. For this reason, every engineer need a laptop to increase the technical skill. That's all about my video resume. Thank you so much everyone. Assalamu alaikum.